Okay, so now that you have renamed, so you have this site and now it's yours. To edit, you're going to go up and click on this pencil button right here. And so each page is going to look the same and they're going to have that pencil button. I have all of my text in this text gadget. You can delete it and get rid of it and just type right here, or you can click on the wheel and change this to be whatever you want it to be. So, and then maybe I say 6th grade elementary teacher, and then you put in your information here. And I'll just show you what this looks like so that you can see the changes. So you can change the font, the size. So when I click save, and I click save again, then you see that it's changed. So you notice this still says Joni Readout right here, so we need to edit that. So now I'm going to go back to the edit page button. Why? Oh, because my text gadget has Joni Readout at the top. So now you would change it to your name. And then click save. And now you're going to see it. So then I've got Jane Doe twice. I need to go back in and edit and change that. I told you that you could get rid of this classroom website page. To do that, you're going to go over to this wheel, which is kind of where all your other buttons are, and go to Edit Site Layout. And you see that it gives you the options. So we're in the horizontal navigation, and when I scroll over that, it highlights it. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to get rid of. So click on Classroom Website and hit the trash can, remove. Then I'm going to go down and click OK. Click Close, and now it's gotten rid of it. So when you go in and you want to edit the standard, if it'll let me edit a standard now, let me refresh my page and see if that helps. It's always my go-to move. Okay, so it worked. So now you can click on Standard 1, and when you go, this is the same for every teacher, so this isn't going to change unless you want to change the font or the color, whatever it might be. But if you want to now start adding your own artifacts, you would click on A, you would edit this page, you would remove my text, type your own, you would remove my images, and then you would obviously add in your own text here, and you can go to Insert Image. So you can insert a screenshot, you can insert any kind of image that you have, like pictures you've taken in your classroom. You can also insert any kind of Google Drive document that you have. So if you have a document or a drawing or a presentation that you want to add, it'll put it right in there for you. And then always make sure that you go up to save. And that's the same for each standard. I've linked it to a separate page. So you click on the page. This one, for example, has my lesson plans in it. So this is where I would have added. So if you go to edit, you're going to see this is a Google Doc. You would want to remove that. Remove these pictures. And then delete this, but you could insert a document, any doc you want. So it's going to get here, and you're going to be able to insert any document that you want. So maybe I want this one. So I click on it, I click select. It's going to ask me to title it, which it's going to choose your Google Doc title. So maybe you want to change that, maybe not. And then when I click save, it puts it in there. I can say put it to the center or align left, it doesn't matter. Click save and you'll be able to see the document. So now the document is embedded in here. One thing you have to be careful of is that when you put this document in here, you have to have it, so I just flipped over to a document that I have to show you this. You have to have it shared with anyone on the web so that when they go to your page, they can see it. If they can't see it, that's why. They don't have those editing privileges or those viewing privileges. So you have to make sure all your Google Drive and presentations are public on the web. Okay. If you have any other questions outside of this, please don't hesitate to email me or ask. I'd be more than happy to meet with anyone to help them figure this out. Hopefully this helps. Thanks.